We are in our Piano Adventures Level 1 Theory Book. And now we are on page 5, and we are going to play the second half of the exercise to Ferris Wheel Improv. So on this page, we're going to talk again about the slur. It curves over or under a group of notes. And remember, I said in a previous video that it is over the note heads, never over the stem. Now a tie connects one note to the very same note. So here we have middle C. You play the first one and hold it for the second one. Same thing here. You have a D, play the first one and hold it for the second one. Okay, so now for each of these examples, I want you to write in, is it a slur or is it a tie? So a slur is under a group of notes, a tie connects two notes. Next, we're going to move on to steps, skips, and dynamics. So I'm going to play 4 different little pieces, and you're going to circle, is it a skip or a step piece, and is it loud or is it soft? F is forte for loud, P is piano for soft. Okay, so here is the first one. Is that a step or a skip? Is it loud or is it soft? Okay, here is the second one. Are those steps or are those skips? Am I playing it loud or am I playing it soft? Okay, the next one, here we go. Do it one more time. Is it loud or soft? And are those steps or skips? Okay, last one. Were those steps or were those skips? And am I playing it loud or am I playing it soft? Okay, are you ready for the answers to see if you got them right? You are my students, so I know you've got to get them right because you guys are all really smart. You're rising stars. Okay, so this one, look at the notes go in order. So those are steps. We're just stepping from one note to the next one. And I played it loudly, so you should have circled the F. Okay, then the next one, those notes don't go in order. So those are skips, and I played it softly. The next one, those are steps. They're one note right after the other, and it's our 5-finger C scale. And I played it loudly. And our very last one, those are skips. We are skipping every other note. And I played that softly.